One of the most exciting and fascinating features of the human experience is the power of the subconscious mind. It is frequently referred to as the entryway to our actual potential, and it is thought that this force is fundamental to existence. The portion of our minds that functions below the level of our consciousness is known as the subconscious mind. It is in charge of regulating our automatic body processes, emotions, and behaviors. It is also the area of our brains where our values, memories, and past experiences are stored. Our capacity to perceive and sculpt reality both inside and externally is fundamental to its very existence. This implies that the thoughts and beliefs we hold in our subconscious minds have the ability to influence our reality. Depending on the thoughts and beliefs we have, we may either create a reality of joy and wealth or one of poverty and suffering. We must first comprehend that everything originates from inside and that nothing comes from without if we are to fully appreciate the power of the subconscious mind. This implies that the outside world is a reflection of the within. We must first alter our internal environment if we want to alter our exterior surroundings. We start to understand the limitless love that the cosmos, the source, has for each and every one of us when we allow ourselves to be open to the infinite possibilities of self-discovery and personal development. This love takes the form of a guiding light that shows us the way to success and the accomplishment of our most ardent wishes. It is both awe-inspiring and sobering to realize that we have the ability to create the reality we experience. It is both inspiring and humbling because we have the power to design the life we want, and yet doing so requires us to let go of resistance and give up control over the unpredictable. Our ultimate potential can only be realized by using our subconscious mind. It holds the secret to our prosperity and happiness, and is the entrance to a world of limitless possibilities. We can design a reality that is in line with our highest selves by using the power of our subconscious mind. We must first become mindful of our thoughts and beliefs in order to start the process of comprehending the power of the subconscious mind. We need to recognize the limiting ideas that are preventing us from moving forward and swap them out with empowering ones that encourage success. Affirmations are among the most powerful tools we have for reprogramming our subconscious minds. We repeat encouraging phrases to ourselves as affirmations in order to change our belief system. Consistently repeating affirmations allows us to swap out our limiting beliefs for empowering ones, so generating a new reality. Another effective method for reprogramming the subconscious mind is visualization. Visualization entails establishing a clear mental image of the result we wish to create by vividly visualizing it. By informing our subconscious mind what we want to produce, we are able to communicate our intended outcome with great force by envisioning it. A powerful method for accessing the power of the subconscious mind is meditation. When we meditate, we relax deeply, which makes it easier for us to access the subconscious mind. By reprogramming our subconscious mind with new desires and beliefs while in this condition, we may change our reality. Although giving up is frequently seen as a sign of weakness or failure, it actually marks the beginning of true self-awareness and empowerment. We create space for the prospect of change by admitting that we have been suffering and attempting to exert control outside the vortex. The significance of the vortex as the ultimate source of clarity, strength, and love becomes clear to us as we start to perceive the light. We discover solutions to our issues, answers to our concerns, and the manifestation of our desires within this maelstrom. We ultimately see that our earlier attempts, while noble, were misdirected when we submit to the laws and truths shared by great teachers and mentors. We attain our objectives not by effort and opposition, but by accepting the power of our subconscious mind and utilizing the vortex's energy. The time has come for us to tell the story of our empowerment, acceptance of our inherent deserving, and exploration of the great knowledge contained in the rule of assumption. Our shared quest comprises trying to understand the enormous potential that our imaginations have. The realm of imagination can be a haven for clarity, power, love, and resolve if we immerse ourselves completely and passionately in it. Those who have the fortitude to believe in the reality of their beliefs and who have unshakable faith in life's complex mechanisms find comfort in it. We may truly grow in this environment by utilizing the strength of our imaginations and having faith in the process as we explore the broad landscape of our boundless potential. When we begin the transforming process of changing our self-perception, we unintentionally influence the environment in which we live. It is important to understand that we do not have to change people, because they frequently act as mirrors reflecting our own opinions of ourselves. We can only access the infinite power of the universe and design the life we want when we give in to our inner nature and let go of our attachment to external results. According to the law of assumption, whatever we believe to be true will come to pass in our reality. We have the potential to influence our lives by altering our internal environment because our thoughts and beliefs are what make up our reality. Our subconscious mind has limitless potential, and it is up to us to use it to our advantage and design the life we want. We must first become conscious of our current beliefs and assumptions in order to properly embrace the law of assumption. We need to recognize the limiting ideas that are preventing us from moving forward and swap them out with empowering ones that encourage success. Also, we must develop a strong feeling of confidence and trust in the universe, believing that everything is happening for our best interests. The law of assumption can be applied effectively through visualization. Our subconscious mind receives a strong message from us about the results we want to achieve when we visualize them in our minds and experience the feelings that go along with them. In order to achieve our objectives, we must also take inspired action while having faith that the universe will direct us in the right direction. We issue an invitation for others to recognize, validate, and affirm the transformation we have sparked inside ourselves as we grow a deeper respect for our intrinsic worth and go through a process of inner revaluation. By putting an emphasis on our personal development and encouraging self-awareness, we open the door to a more peaceful living as those around us start to sense the beneficial changes that have resulted from our internal progress. We need to claim and appropriate our desires with a positive consciousness in order to fully utilize the power of prayer. For instance, being aware of our poverty while pleading for wealth just serves to accentuate it. We must adopt the positive consciousness of the item desired in order to succeed, then let the vortex do its magic. In the end, the path to empowerment and self-actualization requires a great deal of introspection, resignation, and faith in the capacity of the subconscious mind. We invite a world of limitless opportunities and love into ourselves by letting go of resistance and embracing the vortex. We all possess the key to realizing our potential, and it is our responsibility to discover, comprehend, and utilize this power for the benefit of both ourselves and the rest of the world. We engage on a lifetime adventure as we make these strides towards self-awareness and personal growth, changing our reality and realizing our deepest aspirations. It is crucial to understand that the changes we undergo within ourselves have an impact on the world at large. By improving ourselves, we motivate and encourage others to do the same. This is the strength of transformational leadership, in which we set an example for others to follow and motivate them to reach their greatest potential. The path to self-actualization calls for bravery, tenacity, and perseverance. It entails facing our anxieties, limiting beliefs, and self-talk in order to swap them out for empowering beliefs and uplifting affirmations. It also entails taking inspired action in the direction of our objectives while having faith in the universe to lead us there. We need to develop a strong sense of thankfulness and appreciation for the blessings in our lives as we go through this inner transformation process. Gratitude is an effective strategy for attracting wealth and achieving our goals. By concentrating on our blessings, we turn our energy positive and draw more of what we desire into our lives. As a result, the path to empowerment and self-actualization involves a great deal of introspection, submission, and belief in the power of the subconscious mind. By emphasizing our personal development and encouraging self-awareness, we open the door to a more peaceful living and encourage others to follow suit. We can access a universe of limitless opportunities and love when we develop a positive mindset and use the vortex's power. It is up to us to make these moves towards self-awareness and personal development, altering our world and realizing our innermost aspirations. We appreciate you watching our film about the path to empowerment and self-actualization. We really hope you found the knowledge presented to be enlightening and beneficial. Always keep in mind that the secret to realizing our potential is inside of us. It is up to us to discover, comprehend, and utilize this power for the benefit of both our own lives and the entire world. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you can see more thought-provoking material on personal development. Moreover, please feel free to post any comments or questions in the section below. We'll do our best to respond. Keep in mind that you have the ability to change your reality and bring about your greatest dreams. The first step towards self-awareness and personal development is where it all starts. We appreciate your time, and we'll see you in the next video.